Oh, if I'd known you were here, I would have brought you something.
Polo, man. Any ponies heart into a wee polo, man. Like a wee polo, man.
Oh, look at the medals. Oh, yeah.
He likes a can of beer as well.
Who doesn't? Me? Oh, no, you do that.
Lori, I'm thinking I want to get you a shot.
Oh, there's plenty of shots.
The handsome boy. Can you see actually?
You need some oil in
Aye,
your
you can
hair.
see.
Yeah.
There's no see.
Don't know, that's what I'm talking about there, mate. Don't know who she is. Can't see her anywhere either.
I was charged with the reorganisation of the British Army, alongside the Chief of the General Staff and the Chief of the Defence Staff. It was a comprehensive overhaul of our defence posture, out of which came the Royal Regiment of Scotland. It was established as a senior line infantry of the British Army, and it is founded on the proud traditions of its antecedent regiments, the Royal Scots, the Royal Highland Fusiliers, the Kingsmen Scottish Borderers, the Black Watch, the Highlanders comprising the Seaforth, Scotland and Cavan, the Argyll and Southern Highlanders, and the 2nd and 51st Lowland and Highland Volunteers. All of those regiments played a vital role in protecting our country in peace and in war in years past. And since 2006, the Royal Regiment of Scotland has carried on that noble tradition. From day one, the regiment has carried out a range of missions and tasks on our nation's behalf, and has done so with the same degree of commitment and professionalism as their predecessors. They stand on the shoulders of giants, and if circumstances demand, they will become giants themselves. It seems to me there is one word which exemplifies what we do on our behalf. That word is freedom. They protect our freedoms so that hopefully we can live in peace in years to come. It is why they so richly deserve to be given the freedom of South Lanarkshire. Let me close on this. The regiment has a motto which sums up the very fibre of their being. One or meddle with me, and do and dare challenge that. I thank them on your behalf. Thank you. Thank you for everyone, and thank you for listening today. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a nice horse?
Never noticed you there out of uniform. But you retired now.
No, he's a poo picker now.
You're the Higgins. Sure, he's Higgins, aye.
Still need to train him,
Oh, gorgeous pony.
What's that?
There we go. Thank you so much.
No worries.